What's up, guys? Ryan from I Teach Credit. As you know, this is my card. This is my dream. The fastest way to this card is by educating people like you on credit. And today I want to talk about, people ask all the time, if I apply for a new credit card, doesn't that hurt my credit score? The answer is yes, but only for 4 months, basically. What happens is you have that initial inquiry and you get a new account, which is going to lower your age of credit history. But here's what's going to happen. You're going to get another credit with another credit limit, or another credit card with another credit limit, which is going to help your overall utilization. Plus, and on the 4th month, after 3 on-time monthly payments, you're going to see you get a little boost, because what they do is they look and they say, hey, here's another new account. They've managed this responsibly, paid on time over the first 3 months. We're going to give them a little boost to their credit score. If you don't believe me, check it out for yourself and see for yourself, because I guarantee you that it happens. Hope you have an awesome day. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you later.